Hey there, I'm just trying to figure out the pieces of this futuristic puzzle here. Watch this. For a few months now, we see a massive rise of generative AI apps that are super smart. And every day, new apps join the market. And that's one thing. Last week, I came across a video that shows a droid that could melt and rebuild itself, and the Boston Mechanics droid performed a ninja jump. And now this, in the movie The Terminator, one of the best movies ever made, we see that Skynet, the evil AI system, becomes self-aware in late 2022. Oh yeah, and Terminator 2 has a melting droid. So how about that? You're a freaking genius, James Cameron! Where will this go? No one knows. However, there's two things that are clear. First of all, there's a lot of things you can learn from sci-fi movies. Two, we are headed full speed towards the digital revolution. And revolutions can be a little bit chaotic. So, in order to survive this AI jungle, you need a hand.
Come with me if you want to live.
Welcome to Video State. On this channel I will teach you how to create binge-worthy video content. So like, subscribe and leave a comment if you want some more. Now, AI is both perceived as a blessing and a threat. It can be a blessing when it saves us time in performing tasks that AI can even do better and faster. But you know, if this is the start of a digital revolution, imagine where we will be in a few months or even years. However, it's also perceived as a threat by an increasing number of people, as it remixes existing forms of content without the original artist's consent. Now, where do you find the right AI apps for your business? Well, there's an AI for that. Yeah, really, there's an AI for that. It's the name of the website. You know, as we are only interested in video stuff here, let's move on to the video section. Now, as you can see, there are quite some apps listed here. On the right hand side, you see a timeline going back to the year 2015. And if we go there, we can see the first AI video app listed. It's pretty cool that it's on chronological order. After spending some time here, I saw that there is a few categories. First of all, transformative apps. Text to video, image to video, video to text, etc. And it's very handy if you want to generate, for instance, a storyboard alongside your script. Or if you want to generate subtitles fast from your video. An automated editing process sounds pretty insane, but it's right there. Now there's a lot of apps here that can make your life a lot easier. I'm gonna check out some more. But let me know in the comments if you want to have a specific video review of one of the apps. That's all for today. I hope you found some value here. I'll be back next week. Thanks for watching. I'll be back.